એ હાલો રે હાલો,
માયકાવાણી ચાલુ થવાની છે. ના તારી છે ના મારી છે, માયકાવાણી આપણી છે. આ મનની બોલી છે, આ મનની બોલી છે. ના તારી છે ના મારી છે, માયકાવાણી આપણી છે.
આપણી છે.
ના તારી છે ના મારી છે, માયકાવાણી આપણી છે. આ મનની બોલી છે.
Maika Vani 90.4 FM.
Oh, my sweet summer child, what do you know about fear? Fear is for the winter, when the snows fall 100 feet deep. Fear is for the long night, when the sun hides for years, and children are born and live and die, all in darkness. In that darkness, the White Walkers came for the first time.
सो आई गेस गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स ने विंटर की तो काफी एक फेयर वाली इमेज बना रखी है, और हमारे पीछे भी
Vrinda,
और आइस काफी लग रहा है.
Yeah, I'm saying, this is exactly what we think about when we talk about winters, right? Game of Thrones, all that spooky winter is coming stuff. And that is the kind of picture that a lot of our viewers must have created in their minds, right?
दैट इज सो ट्रू. बट उसी पिक्चर को ब्रेक करने आज का ये जो हमारा ग्रीन हब का एपिसोड है, which is brought to you by RJ Brinda
And RJ Disha.
and इस एपिसोड में we are going to be talking about ice caves around the world. जैसे हमने लास्ट टाइम कहा था कि maybe this is
Yes.
something that
Yeah.
Elsa the Ice Queen might have made. तो हम बिल्कुल वैसा ही कुछ आपके
Yeah.
लिए लेके आए हैं, ice caves. I mean,
Yeah. So, friends, welcome to another episode of Green Hug. And today we're talking about ice caves. And do you remember, Brinda, last episode where we were saying that, the viewer who gets it right the first time will get a shout out.
Yes.
But
And-
actually, किसी ने सही correct answer दिया नहीं.
But you know what? Avinash Bansal came very
Yeah.
close.
Very
Iceland.
close. No, he said Norway.
But
I just read it.
But I mean,
But
it's not
Norway is
like
also pretty close, so we'll give him the point. Right?
Totally.
ठीक है.
Avinash Bansal.
Yeah.
Bansal, this one's for you. You get this.
Yeah. Okay. So talking about ice caves, यार ये ice cave बनते कैसे? मतलब मैं तो हमेशा बहुत ही fascinated हो जाती हूँ सोच के कि ये बनते कैसे हैं यार ice caves?
मैं बताती हूँ. So basically,
Yeah.
when there is a glacier, तो वो
हाँ.
ग्लेशियर जो होता है, it starts, I mean, obviously it's frozen, और वो फ्रीज होके there are certain parts उसके जो मेल्ट हो जाते हैं, और वो बिल्कुल केव की तरह बन जाता है. तो वो एक्चुअली पूरा का पूरा ग्लेशियर है, उसमें पूरा पानी इज फ्रोजन, बट उसके सर्टेन पार्ट्स मेल्ट हो गए, तो इट लुक्स लाइक अ केव. Now, one big,
Yeah.
very beautiful example is Mendenhall Caves in Alaska. Matlab,
Yeah.
it's super.
This is it, no? Where we are sitting right now?
Yes. That is
Mendenhall
exactly
ice
where
caves.
we are
Yeah.
right now. Yes. Yes.
या सो हाँ आइस केव्स यार मतलब मैं भी पढ़ रही थी तो आई रेड दैट यू नो जो ग्लेशियर्स के ऊपर द मेल्टिंग आइस वाटर व्हेन इट फ्लोज थ्रू अ ग्लेशियर ना तो दे काइंड ऑफ फॉर्म दिस पैसेजवे काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर और वो
Exactly.
जब समर्स में व्हेन दैट स्ट्रक्चर काइंड्स मेल्टिंग अवे ना तो वैसा राउंड सा शेप बनता है दैट
Exactly.
इज हाउ यू
और वो
गेट दीज
tunnel,
ग्लेशियर्स
the
राइट
best part about this is उस tunnel के अंदर हम actually जा सकते हैं. So we are
वाओ
sitting here, which is not just an illusion. In caves में, especially at least Mendenhall cave में, you can actually go inside and see it अंदर से. And just imagine the colors when the sunlight hits the ice and the
या
rainbow inside.
Yeah, it's like this ice blue color, like a baby blue shade. Oh my God, lovely, bro.
Exactly. You can get all
यार
shades
सुन,
of the rainbow.
yeah, Brinda, like, see, we are wearing winter के clothes है ना, ठीक है? तो please यार चलते हैं ना.
चलो, I will take you this time.
या तो ठीक है, अपने व्यूवर्स को भी लेके चलते हैं. Let's show them पहले मेंडल आइस केव से स्टार्ट करें. दिखाए
हाँ जी.
उन्हें how
Yes.
amazing it is. Okay, go ahead.
So, what do you think?
Wasn't that breathtaking?
It was, right? So,
I so wanna pack my bags and just go.
I'll tell you where to go. So, Mendenhall
Okay.
Caves is basically, it's in Alaska, in this area called Juneau. So, इसका source जो है, that is the Mendenhall Lake. And it extends all the way from Juneau ice fields to the lake. But it has a lot of names. It was finally renamed Mendenhall Ice Caves after Thomas Corwin Mendenhall. So it was renamed in honor of
Wow.
him. Yeah.
Wow. I wish even I'll be like very happy even if a brick was named after me. Forget about a whole ice cave.
But I'm pretty
Okay,
sure
moving
you
on,
know.
you know. Yeah. Go
You
on.
know, I'm pretty sure you know about it. Its other nicknames or like the other names that it was called, right?
Yeah, that is what I was gonna tell. So, you know, this glacier had originally two nicknames, you know. And वो शायद वहाँ की local language में है. So one was Sitan Tagu, which actually means the glacier behind the town. And the other nickname was Aqua Taksit, which is glacier behind the little lake. So, you know, it takes into
Mendenhall
picture, you know,
Lake.
the fact that
Right.
वो Mendenhall Lake से originate हुआ है. So that is why पुराने ज़माने में उनको इसी नाम से जानते थे. But that's so cool. और actually पता है, you cannot like ऐसे you cannot see this place. You have to like kayak to the glacier, फिर वहाँ से hike करके ही, you know, you can see this place.
That's true. That's true. Because it's pretty far off. But
Yeah.
uski recent condition is like pretty bad. It's sort of melting and deteriorating.
Yeah, I mean, I was reading up about this and I found that the whole glacier has receded like almost 0.5 miles since
That's a
1500.
lot. That's a lot.
And actually, वो glaciers के बारे में that's like मतलब when we are saying just S is 0.5 miles, so it feels not a lot. But when you take into account the thickness of glaciers, then it is actually a lot of
It's
ice,
a
a lot of
lot of
glacier, which is
ice
just
that is
melting away.
melting. It's a lot of ice that's melting into our oceans, and I mean, it is only because of global warming.
Yeah,
It's
that's like,
yeah.
obviously that's the reason.
But anyway, coming back to, the nicer things about ice caves,
Yeah,
there
please.
are so many other options that you have around the world. Let me take you on a
Okay,
small tour of what else you have in store.
let's do it.
Wasn't that
Wow,
lovely?
lovely. Also, यार talking about ice caves, मतलब ऐसा कुछ तो होगा, कोई तो ice cave होगा which is like the world's biggest ice cave,
It
and
is.
उसके बारे में
है
I think viewers को बताना चाहिए, है ना?
definitely. And surprisingly, ये world's largest ice cave is not in Russia
Yeah.
or Australia or Siberia. It is in Austria. And इसका नाम है
Wow.
Eisreisenwelt, which in German
Okay.
is the world of ice giants. And around 1880 तक लोगों ने इसको एक्सप्लोर भी नहीं करा था because they thought कि these were the gates to hell. क्योंकि ये इतना बड़ा था, they didn't know where the tunnels would take them. So people didn't try to explore it.
Wow. Also, yeah, there's also this ice cave called Mer de Glace Ice Cave in France, which
Yes.
kind of means sea of ice.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Yeah. It's also France's largest glacier. That's so cool. Also, जो visitors वहाँ आते हैं, they come to see a world of ice, और एक small cable car से, they go to this train station जो कि specially उनको वो direct glacier पे लेके जाते हैं, वहाँ से, they can
Yeah.
explore ये ice. That is
And
like
do you
so
know,
cool.
do you know ये Mer de Glace वाली जो चीज है, it is man-made. तो उसका जो
Yeah.
ice cave वाला part है, out of the glacier, this entire thing has been man-made, and there are steel structures
Yeah.
and everything for people to go in and
हाँ.
visit it. And उसी से
Yeah.
काफी close in the same mountain ranges is also the Rhone Glacier ice caves, जो स्विट्जरलैंड वाली part में आ
Yeah,
जाता
it's in
है.
Switzerland, right? हाँ,
Yeah.
correct.
And it is some 12,000 years old. But like,
Wow, that's
so
a lot.
yeah, it's so the glacier is basically carved into the ice every year, and it's around 300 feet long tunnel.
Yeah. Also, it's like I've heard that, over past 150 years, a lot of massive ice chunk is retreated. और climate change की वजह से I think उस ice cave में भी there's like a lot of effects, just like the Mendenhall one.
Yeah, that is very true. I think all the glaciers around the world are being affected because of the entire global warming and the temperature, increasing temperatures, and ये सब की वजह से our sea levels are rising, and it's just a whole vicious cycle.
Yeah, so true. Also, there's also this ice cave in Japan. मतलब Japan तो primarily is a hot country, but उनका ice cave, which is like if I correctly remember, its name is Narusawa Ice Cave.
Yeah, it is actually formed by the eruptions of Mount Fiji.
Yeah.
So
and मैंने सुना है कि
volcano.
हाँ,
Yeah.
like Japan में, which is like a primarily hot country, वहाँ पे people have like this sweet surprise जहाँ पे people go for like a छुट्टी or like a vacation
हाँ
to have like a cold दुनिया.
एंड पता है मतलब उसकी जो टावर्स है या जो आइस पिलर्स हैं दे आर ऑलमोस्ट 3 feet high, somewhere around 3 feet
Wow.
high. Imagine something made out of volcanic eruptions and it is that cold. It's about 37 degrees Fahrenheit cold.
Yeah. Also, this combination of volcanoes, which is thought of to be like relating to everything hot and humid, and then ice caves. I mean, like two absolutely different worlds meeting together.
Exactly. It's a marvel of nature, and I mean, that is what we're here to bring to our viewers.
Yeah, that is what our show is about.
Totally.
Marvels of nature.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
This
think...
another.
Mhm.
Go on.
No, please carry on.
Okay, this is so weird यार जब हम बोल रहे होते हैं मतलब ये ऑनलाइन में ऐसे ही होता है कि when we are talking and we cut each other then it gets super weird. Okay, and we are like you talk तो ठीक है.
I'm pretty sure
हाँ, so
हमारे
I was
viewers
saying
को भी
कि
ये issues होती होंगे.
सॉरी ठीक है हम ब्लूपर्स डाल रहे हैं अपने वीडियो में. ठीक है या आई वाज सेइंग कि देयर इज आल्सो दिस अनदर आइस केव इन अर्जेंटीना. Remember
Imagine
that one?
something as low down as Argentina. मतलब वो तो इक्वेटर से भी नीचे है.
हाँ.
हाँ, ice caves.
Also ये जो आइस केव है it is also recognized as a natural world wonder by UNESCO.
I think all ice caves are wonders. मतलब imagine
Yeah, that
something
is.
so heavy, something that dense, and उसके अंदर आप जा सकते हो. You can explore अंदर से. It's
Yeah.
truly a marvel.
Yeah. So also this Los Glaciers National Park, which has a lot of ice caves in it. So these glaciers, they park their name from the largest continental ice extension after Antarctica.
Yeah.
जो कि उनकी
It's
park
the...
website बोलती है. Nobody knows if it's true or not.
So one of the biggest glaciers over there, I think it's called Perito Moreno, I think. So every
I think you're
4
correct.
year
Yeah.
cycle में it's repeated and it sort of collapses. Advance होता है, फिर collapse हो जाता है, फिर advance होता है. Yeah. But again, there are chunks of ice that are flowing away from even here.
And also, one thing which is common among all these ice caves and for you as a tourist to visit those places and know about them is कि from our research जो मुझे पता चला और I think you would agree on this कि the best way to experience these is with the help of a tourist or a guide or a local person.
That's very true.
Because if you like don't know the history behind each of those particular ice caves and how they are formed and even as simple as how to get there, I think for that you really need like an insight person, an expert, who will not just take care of your safety but would also tell you about the hows and whys of the place.
That's very true. It's important to relate to the history and the entire story of that place to be able to relate to it that much more.
Yeah.
You know?
And also, हाँ मतलब we are talking so much about कि ये recede हो रहे हैं because of global warming, because of climate. तो एक वो factor भी होता है ना that if you are as a tourist visiting that place, so you should be respectful and mindful of your habits as a responsible citizen, as a responsible tourist. तो it's very important कि आप जा रहे हो तो यहाँ पे bottles मत छोड़ के आओ plastic के, don't leave trash there, just be like a mindful visitor and let these places stay as beautiful as they are.
I have a fun fact for you at this point. So जो ये mental hall caves थे जिनके बारे में हम initially बात कर रहे थे, अब we know that they're receding, right? But since they're receding, one good thing that has come out is that वो जहाँ से recede हो गया है उस area में they have found fully preserved trees, roots, barks, everything, मतलब all levels.
Wow.
And scientists have enough data कि वो उस ecosystem को फिर से create कर सके या at least उसके बारे में study कर सके. तो इसी तरह अगर हम भी अपना ट्रैश छोड़ रहे हैं या हम उस जगह को नेचुरल नहीं रहने दे रहे हैं तो हमारी जो फ्यूचर जनरेशंस होंगी जिनको इस तरह से ये रिसीड करके ट्रैश मिलेगा उन्हें भी
Just
यही
imagine
लगेगा
that.
एग्जैक्टली उन्हें लगेगा कि ये उस टाइम की इकोसिस्टम थी. So
I
I think
cannot imagine this. Yeah, I mean, but this is so cool, yeah. Matlab, like a whole ecosystem which is like frozen inside the glaciers. I
yeah,
mean, that will
yeah.
be so cool.
That is something that I would totally like to visit in my Christmas breaks. And speaking of,
If COVID allows.
I mean, you can always wish, right? Matlab,
Yeah.
hope.
You can ask Santa.
Speaking of Santa, I think that it is probably time to invite him for our next show. What do you think?
Yeah, bro, not a bad idea. I mean, we can
We
totally
are
do that.
we're going to be very close to Santa, matlab Christmas, when our next show airs. तो Santa को
Yeah.
बुला लें.
Why not? Let's do it.
So viewers, ये हमारे अगले वीक के शो के लिए आपका हिंट है
Hint है.
जी कि हमारा जो अगले टाइम का शो होगा that is very closely related to Santa Claus and Christmas and maybe where Santa lives. It's not North Pole.
Okay.
मतलब वो मत
Okay, you
guess
know,
करना.
Brinda, you know, I have this bug inside me. So last time, because nobody gave the right answer, I so want to give one more hint.
Okay.
Okay, so it is also something related to lights. And people say that, you know, once in a
Yeah.
lifetime, you should absolutely see these lights.
Lights. Yes.
Yeah.
Totally. So it's definitely not
अब इससे
North
ज्यादा
Pole.
तो नहीं बता सकते यार.
हाँ.
अब तो
काफी
पता
hint
चल
दे
जाएगा
दिए.
पक्का. बहुत.
तो आज के एपिसोड की तरह जो भी नेक्स्ट टाइम का लोकेशन गेस करता है, they will get a shout out. Next
Yeah.
time we will definitely try to get them on board the show, maybe as a guest.
Yeah,
So stay
obviously.
tuned for more.
Why not?
Totally.
Yeah, and thank you for being with us with one more episode of Green Hug, where we
This-
bring to you a natural marvel every episode and dissect it for you.
Yeah. So like, share, subscribe, and if you want to feature on the next episode, please comment your answers. This
Okay, thank you for tuning in.
Yep, this is RJ Brinda and RJ Disha signing
And
off. See you
Signing
guys
off.
next
Bye.
week.
See you next week.